should I wear this Tech 9 with the high tops? Or should I wear this Uzi with my low tops?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. You already know the title of this vid. This is fits that I'm gonna rock when I'm or what I plan on rocking when I'm in DR. Don't know if I'm actually get to rock them, tell the truth. First up, on the plane.
Would I be fly?
With me on the plane, I like to be comfortable, but I like to be fly as well, especially when I go to a spot like DR. Well, I ain't even gonna front, it's wherever I go, because I feel like you gonna see more people at an airport. You know what I'm saying? So you might as well be fly, but comfortable.
Maxing and cooling.
My first fit that I'm thinking about doing, or I might not, and I'm gonna get into the reason why. I'm thinking about rocking the PRPS joint. Like I said before, this is the hoodie, and this is the these are the joggers, and I'm gonna rock them with the Knicks joints and one of those tees that Effectus gave me. Fitted cap, thinking about this one or that one. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. The reason I might not do that is I do want to break this joint out. Damn. But I was gonna rock them with, no, this is what I was gonna rock them with, my bad. These shorts right here, bam, PRPS joints, as well as, boom, these joints again. But then I'm like, man, I'm rocking these like twice. Now, what I do plan on doing, I wanna get another pair when they hit the outlets, because these is like orange and blue Bo Jacksons, you know what I'm saying? Like that type of like look. I ain't saying, obviously they Jordans, but when I started thinking about that song, I love the Bo Jacksons, the orange and blue. I love the threes, the orange and blue, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, so, but I just don't know if I wanna rock these like twice, so.
I'll just wear these then.
And then I'm kind of thinking like, maybe I wanna rock these Knicks joints somewhere else. I don't know, man, it's just that dilemma right now. I can't really explain it because number one, I do wanna wear shorts when I'm down there. Don't really, it's crazy. But anyway, moving on. Another joint that I wanna rock, bam. Some minimal joints that I had cut up, boom. Remember this joint? I think I got it about a year ago. Bernard King joint, boom. Knicks, bam. There you go right there. I'm gonna rock these with, you guessed it, the Jordan 6s. I know it's kind of bright, you know what I'm saying, my bad, but yeah, I'm rocking with the Jordan 6s or maroon joints, which I think, let me know, boom, 400 likes.
Hell no.
I got these shorts when I was at Saks off 5th, and these are them joints I got for like, less than 17 bucks, probably about damn near like 12 or 10, I don't know. But boom, I'm gonna rock these shorts with this jersey. I actually wanted to rock this to like Orchard Beach, bam, with this jersey right here, bam. So it's the shorts and the jersey. Where do you get a load of this? Give me a second. I know it's gonna fall.
Oh no shit.
Tell me, you know what I'm saying? don't put me, don't bama me. Tell me, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, man. It's been a minute. I don't even think I've rocked these on feet. The only reason I haven't is because, I gotta wear like some real thin socks with these joints. I should've half size up. These the Air Trainer ones, the Clark Kent joints. They got the 3M and shit. This is actually like my second pair. I didn't learn my lesson from the first pair that I copped. And you know what I'm saying? Like, damn sure I only half size. I should've full sized up from the first joint. But yeah, hell yeah, man. I love these right here. I actually was on, I remember SneakerCon NYC, down when it was at like the piers or something like that. I actually got like one of they used to do like the best on feed or the on feed of SneakerCon. I think I was on like page 2. You know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
But anyway, yeah, so yeah, I plan on rocking that. And oh yeah, you already know, got the Tampa Bay Rays joint, which I think it's a fits. I gotta get a thumbnail too, my bad. Yeah, so anyway, boom. I don't know how many joints that is. Was that like 3? Let's see. I'm gonna do, ain't no point pulling out the chill shit. I'm gonna do a couple chill days because I really don't think, I don't know if I'm gonna go out that much. Like, tell the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going down there for my son. You know what I'm saying? My son's son.
Yo, man, that's her problem. You the man. She's gotta take care of that.
I got these from Minimal LA right here. Bam. I love my camo. Then I got this tee right here. I ain't gonna big up where I got the joint from, but you know what I'm saying, bam. Dykeman, boom. Uptown Crown, 30th. Yo, and I want to rock this down there because I know that the chicks down there on DR, they know about Dykeman, and they be like, dickhead Dykeman. You know what I'm saying? See?
Man, you married.
So what?
He a man.
Hell yeah, and I'm going to rock these with
Excuse me, I'll be right back.
the socks joint with the, damn, socks joint a little, I'm about to clean the socks brim. You see that right there? I have to clean that. Give me a new one soon. Bam, with the red undertone, boy. I really wanted to save this and rock the jacket with it up here, but I don't know, but check it.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah. Yeah? Playoff 12s, man, I love these joints. Yeah, it's time for them to re-release because, oh man, my soul's not looking too good, you know what I'm saying? Another joint that I'm gonna rock, shout out to my mother's son, AKA my brother. Bam, I got the Eintracht Frankfurt. Bam, put that right there. I'm gonna rock that with PRPS, boom. I was gonna rock these with like some gray, like some gray shorts, but I wanted like more of like a crisp look. And I know somebody,
They go that Earl nigga.
Zach, he told me to rock these joints with some
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
the Bread 4s, but I'm thinking top 3s, you know what I'm saying? Top 3, yeah. Damn. Cause I mean, you know what I'm saying, got the colors, boom. I'm trying to go for like a crisp look, but yeah. This is a joint that I don't know. This is like, I don't know if I'm a rock it, cause now we're already on like 4 fits. And 4 is kind of put, I don't know if I'm going out there many times. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. But and last but not least, a chill and kill. Bam. Got these Nike shorts, some old joints. Where we at? And I got this old Billionaire Boys Club joint. Yeah, I actually rocked this NDR like years ago when I first met, matter of fact, when I first met Shorty, you know what I'm saying? Like I had these joints on. Oh, and I had the sneaks too, you know what I'm saying? Like I switched it up. Last year I rocked this joint. I rocked it with the Kobe's. This year I'm rocking with the Kyries, KD's. I know some, you know what I'm saying? Chill out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm rocking with that. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And like I said, I got 3 just chill joints, like, you know, I'm bringing like regular shorts and stuff, but just throwing on like white tees and whatever kicks I do decide to bring. So anyway, man, if you're feeling this vid, let me get 400 likes on this joint, man, and let me get a sip right quick.
What you hold in your hands is one of the many chains that enslave the black man today.
Whew. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that Snups. See you when I see you.